Now we are starting our fifth skill in the second lesson, and this is cutting, copying and pasting data. In this session we will do our first task, copy data series with a mouse. In Excel, copy, cut and paste commands can be performed through various methods. You can use your mouse for that. You right click on something that you want to copy or cut. The pop-up menu appears, and from that pop-up menu you can select the command for copy, for cut or paste. You can use the ribbon commands. If we go to the Excel window, you see that in the home command tab, group called clipboard is present, and in this group you have different icons. The scissor is for the cut command. This is for the copy, and this icon is for paste. And you can use keyboard shortcut as well. Now, hover my mouse on cut command, you can see that for the cut you can use a keyboard shortcut Ctrl+X. For copy you can use Ctrl+C, and for paste you can use Ctrl+V. So these are different options you can use the cut, copy and paste commands. So for this session, for this skill, we will be using file 02 customer houses from your student data files. So let's open it, double click this file, and with your mouse left button select this range. These cells are highlighted, and now press Ctrl button. When you press Ctrl button, that means that you want to copy these the highlighted, the selected range. Press Ctrl button and hover your mouse near the edge of this selection box. When you go to the end of the selection box, you can see that the mouse icon changes with an arrow and a plus button. The plus button shows that you will create a copy of this range somewhere else. Now let's drag this, and you can see a ScreenTip which says the range where you are copying it. Currently you can see H12 to H22 on the ScreenTip. So we want to copy the same range from H12 to H22 to H12 to H22. Release your mouse button. You have to when you use this, you have to keep your left mouse button pressed, and do not release until you reach the destination where you want to copy the range of cells. And your ScreenTip will show you where you are located, where you are copying these files. So the ScreenTip is currently showing H12 to H22, and this is the place where we want to create a copy of the selected cells. So release your left mouse button, and you can see that you have created a copy of these cells here. You can leave the workbook open for our next skill task.